Today, the most misunderstood word in Islam is the word jihad. It is not only misunderstood by the non-Muslims, it's even misunderstood by the Muslims. Most of the non-Muslims, as well as Muslims, think that any war fought by any Muslim for any reason, whether it be for personal gain, whether it be for fame, whether it be for name, whether it be for region, whether it be for wealth, whether it be for power, is called as jihad. Jihad does not mean any war fought by any Muslim, whether it be for name, for fame, for wealth, for power, for region. Jihad is an Arabic word which is derived from the Arabic word jahada, which means to strive, which means to struggle. In Islamic context, jihad means to strive and struggle against one's own evil inclination. Jihad means to strive and struggle to make the society better. Jihad means to strive and struggle against oppression. Jihad also means to strive and struggle in the battlefield in self-defense. Jihad basically means to strive and struggle. If a student is striving and struggling to pass in the examination, in Arabic we say he is doing jihad.